The TORASO weekly magnetic calendar board offers a generously sized writing area that comfortably fits a full week of appointments, meal plans, and reminders without feeling cramped. Its magnetic dry erase surface wipes clean with minimal ghosting, making it practical for families, teachers, and office teams who update plans frequently. The solid wood frame in a rustic brown finish gives the board a warm, decor-friendly look that blends well with farmhouse, traditional, or casual interiors. Because the board is wall-mountable and rigid rather than flexible, it stays flat and stable, which makes writing neater and magnets more secure. The clearly divided weekly layout helps users break down big projects into daily tasks, which is especially useful for busy households, students, and home offices. Beyond basic scheduling, the board works well as a rotating message center for cafes, restaurants, weddings, and events where both function and presentation matter.